Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on the stage, alright?
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Well, we at the first stop right here. We doing this Chevy Tahoe right here. We already knocked out the interior of the car. It's so much pollen blowing out here, man. I was trying my best to hurry up and get it done because as I got the doors open, I mean, the pollen is flying in ridiculously. But if you see it, man, got a few bugs on the front of the grill, so we're gonna make sure we get all the bugs off, make sure we get the wheels nice and clean. It's pretty easy to clean. It's a white car, but if you look at the wheels, like always, that brake dust is pretty heavy, so we're gonna make sure we get that clean, get the runner boards clean, and then clean these mats. Like I said, we already did the interior of the car. We got that knocked out, so we're about to go ahead. We already got the buckets, pressure wash out, so we're gonna go ahead and work on this exterior car, get it done, and then we got 2 more cars for the day. But like always, man, we stay dedicated over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you stay dedicated to whatever you're doing, man. Stay positive. Make sure if you find any issues that you're having, try to find somebody to work it out. If you're going through therapy, talk to your therapist about it, you know, things like that. But like always, man, stay dedicated, man. Stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless. And on that note, I'm gonna keep going. So do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, Pete. Well, not the next one, after I'm done with this, Pete. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this first car, man. It took us about an hour and a half, yes. It takes about an hour and a half to do these big old trucks nowadays. It's just so much to wipe down. You see all the chrome everywhere, these wheels, the interior, everything. But the car's completely done. I don't know how far the next stop is from here. It shouldn't be that far. But we completely got the car done. We already showed you the interior. So we're just going to show you the exterior of the car. Remember, it had all those bugs riddled on the front. We got all the bugs off the front of the car. So we got the windows clean, everything done. But about to go ahead and let them know we done. Head to the next stop, man. And on that note, like always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. You already know how that go. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second stop, man, and we about to work on this Acura. I think this is an MDX. Not 100% sure. This is an Acura, yeah, NDX. And if you look at the car, man, it is really covered in that pollen, man. This pollen down here is ridiculous. Like, it is crazy thick. Like, just even look how it look on the hood of this car, man. That's crazy. So you can just imagine how much is in my hair, on my skin. But this is a new customer, man. She got my number from a recommendation. So we about to go ahead and detail the interior. You got a little dog hair, just a little bit. The seat's gonna need a good cleaning. Get in here and clean these carpets real good. Get in here and vacuum it up real well. You know what I mean? Do what we do best. Y'all already know, man. We take so much pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So y'all already know when you take so much pride in what you do, you just love what you do. So we about to go ahead and get it cracking. We already got everything prepared. We already got our brushes. We already got the generator pressure washer out, stuff like that. But I ain't gonna be able to keep these doors open like I usually do because of the pollen flying everywhere. But you see the match, we're gonna have to spray them down, things like that. You look at the front of the car, you got a bunch of bugs and stuff. So we're gonna make sure we get all the bugs and things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to working, man. I still got one more car. We're just supposed to be these 2, but I just picked up another appointment because you know what I mean. Need that money. Today's the 1st. Even though y'all see this video, it'll probably be the 8th. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. On that note, like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today. It was this this Acura MDX. We got the whole car nice and clean. Got a nice wax job. Y'all remember how dirty it was when we first got here. Now I got a nice little gleam. So we about to get ready to head to this last stop, which is a Cadillac Escalade. Really don't take much to do it. The interior of the car is fairly clean. It's really just the exterior of the car. But I'm trying to tell everybody, exterior of these cars are going to stay dirty because it's springtime. So pollen is falling at an all-time rate. I mean, you know, I think Tennessee goes down in the record for the most pollen dropped in a year or something like that anyway. But man, I think we're ready to head to this next stop, man. And like always, I appreciate y'all looking at the channel. I appreciate everything, man. Leaving these comments, you know, thumbs up, you know, all that stuff matters. So I'm going to catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finished this last car today. We just only made the 3rd car today, and I feel like I've been out here all day because I started work around 10 o'clock and it's already 4 o'clock, man. So it's gonna I probably won't get home about 4:30, 4:45 due to traffic and all this. But got the car looking good. Car looks great. You know what I mean? We definitely got the car looking good in and out. So he definitely gonna be enthused with the work. You know what I mean? So that's the best thing about that. That we take so much pride in our work that it makes the job even easier. Now, if I hated this, probably wouldn't take so much pride. You know what I mean? But we done here, man. So like always, one love. Love thyself, man. You can't love nobody without loving yourself, man. And on that note, like always, we all gonna need a little peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on
Here
the
go,
stage,
man with the plan, baby.
Man with the plan.